What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to keep you guys posted about the brand new Google Play System update that has been released by Google for the Galaxy phones and other Android phones. At the moment, I don't see this update yet on my device. I'm still on March Google Play System update. However, many users have been reporting on X that they have already received the April Google Play System update. Let me show you the screenshot here shared on X. This was shared by Tarun Watts. He says April Google Play System update has been released. Check your phones and download it. And this is the screenshot. Here the update size seems to be pretty small. It's just 10 MB. Usually we see around 60 to 80 MB update. But yeah, this is the screenshot shared by other users. You can go ahead and check out the update. Go to the settings, tap on security and privacy, tap on updates, and tap on Google Play System update. As you can see, I'm still on March update. You would have already received this update on your device. So make sure you update this. Now, this is an important update because Google adds a lot of changes and new features to the Play system. Let me show you this. This is the April changelog. Google Play Services, new version we have 26.16. This is for the developer services. And for the wallet for phone, with the update to wallet, bank accounts now appear for Pix users in Brazil. Then we have got an all new Google Play Store v51.2, that is version 51.2. And it says, you can now find an additional view of an application content rating. With this update, auto-invoked inline install calls no longer deep link into Google Play Store. You will now find a badge that highlights apps designed for large screens. You can now access collections on tablets when you touch and hold the Play Store app icon or add the Play widget for Android from Android widget settings. With this update, you can now review subscription plans you own in app ratings and reviews. Then we have got Android Web View, Google Play Services, device connectivity for Android Auto, phone and Wear OS, bug fixed for device connections and system management and diagnostics related services. So it fixes bugs here. We've got updates to system management services that improve device connectivity as far as TV is concerned. And then comes the location and content for phone, bug fixes for location services related services. And again, wallet, we have got some changes here. With this update, a message at the bottom of the screen tells the user how to add a card to wallet. With this update, you will get a new entry point for My Commute. Then we have got Google Play Services, security and privacy. You can now get more accurate location results, system management for various devices, again for wallet. We have got various different updates here. For the month of April itself, Google has made a lot of changes and improved the security. So that is the reason it is very, very important. Every time you get a Google Play System update, make sure you go ahead and install it. That's about it. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, subscribe. And if you haven't downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse, do go ahead and download it. I've just added a brand new category called Horizon Glow. We've got 30 plus wallpapers here, almost 40 of them, and they are looking really beautiful. Do go ahead and check them out. The link for the application is in the description. And don't forget to rate our application 5-star on the Play Store. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.